Hey, Jonathan from Kahana here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a template that we created based on our time at Duke and throughout consulting to help you organize your research paper. So the link to the template is in the description below. If you wanted to just skip the video and grab that, all you have to do is click the link through Gumroad and share your email, and then you will receive an invitation to access the template and be able to use it, modify, do whatever you want with it to help with your research paper. But if you want to stick with me, I will walk you through the template, show you a real life example of how we used the template to carry out research, and I'll show you how it can work with Notion. So I will get out of the way here, and then let's dive right in. So this is the template that you're looking at right here. It's based on the pain point that we experienced on basically a daily basis of having to hop between multiple tabs, applications, windows, minimized files, Word docs, and PDFs flying around everywhere. I'm sure you've experienced this pain point as well if you've made it this far into the video as you're trying to write your research paper. It's extremely frustrating, and that's exactly why we created the template in this way. It has a split screen interface where you can see everything and organize everything at once. So on the left-hand side, you can upload all of the documents, materials, references that you are leveraging to conduct your research and organize them into various folders that we've laid out for you. You can also, by the way, get rid of these folders and create your own. It's totally up to you. And then on the right-hand side is where you can take notes, write drafts, create any form of written content, and then you can also actually link between text you write on the right-hand side and references on the left-hand side, so you can easily pull up materials in one click. And this is incredibly helpful for when you're organizing research for your paper and trying to keep track of your sources and try and figure out where everything's coming from. You don't have to remember any of that. Smart links do that for you, and I'll show you exactly how in the real life example. So this is a hub that we created leveraging the template that I just showed you. And of course, as you can see, the folders are a bit different. We customized them to manage this type of research that we are doing. So we're doing research around the metaverse, and here are how smart links work. So all you have to do to access the reference material is right click the link, select open link, and then boom, it automatically pulls up the reference material that it's linked to. So that's incredibly helpful. Like I said, you don't have to remember where everything is coming from. It remembers it for you, and then you're easily able to keep track of your references and how they relate to the research that the research paper that you're writing. And the way to create them is super easy. So all you have to do is highlight the text that you want to create a link for, click this smart link button, you'll see this menu pop up, and then choose the upload here that you want to link it to, and then you're done. So super easy. And by the way, the platform is also collaborative. So as you can see here, a ton of people have been contributing to this Metaverse Research Hub. We invited a lot of folks in here to make contributions, share their thoughts, share their research. And so you're able to do the same thing. If you're working on a research paper with someone else or with a group of people, you can all kind of dump all of the research and information that you are collecting in here, organize it together, and write the paper collaboratively. So that's a great way to use the platform as well. And another great thing about this template, as I mentioned, is that if you are a Notion person, it works amazingly with Notion. So you can embed Kahana hubs directly into your Notion space. So this is an example of another hub that we are conducting ongoing research on to ultimately create a white paper of sorts. This is around sustainability. And so as you can see, the hub perfectly embeds into Notion, and you can use it directly from here, which is awesome. And another great thing about Kahana and Notion is that it actually serves as a little bit of a hack. So if you're familiar with Notion, you'll know that on the free plan, you can only upload files that are up to 5 megabytes each. But with Kahana, uploading limit for any given file in Kahana is 100 megabytes. So you can upload a bunch of files into Kahana and then embed that hub into Notion. So that's an awesome way to use the two of them together. And then, of course, it still works as just a standalone way to organize all of the information that's going into your research paper. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll leave the links to our socials in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to get your feedback, and we'd love to help you with your research paper. And if you want to access the template and get started, again, that link is in the description below. All you have to do is click it, share your email, and then we will send you an invite to access it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Cheers.